Here's how to shade with a ballpoint pen, part 2. In this video, we're going to be picking up where we left off, how to create gradients. Generally, when building gradients, two primary approaches can be used. The first is shading from light to dark, and the other is shading from dark to light. Now, either approach can be useful in different situations. For example, when using lighter values for shading, it is better to shade from light to dark because it lets you determine the right dark value to use. Remember, you can always make a lighter shade darker, but it's harder to make a darker shade brighter. Shading from dark to light with a ballpoint pen can be a useful option in situations where you're shading specific items like armor, hair, or clothing. We can create gradients by applying what we've already learned in the right sequence, hatching and cross-hatching for building smoother layers of shade, and pressure control for creating lighter or darker bases of shade. And that's it for this video. In the final part, we'll talk about basic light and shadow knowledge. Please feel free to leave feedback on whatever you liked or disliked about this video to help me improve. Until next time, peace.